Hello, myself Sonu Ramushan. This is the next verse. So they keep track of each and every data basically. For example, just now basically I talked about this topic. So they might be tracking this, but they might not be tracking also basically. So that possibilities are also there basically. So one person told that yes, basically that might be possible. So it might be in environment basically, which might have drawn basically. So here one person told that the 1 lakh people basically are into this business basically. This is actually converted into business basically. But this is that business basically which requires certification basically. Which required basically certification basically. Which required basically lots of planning basically. Without planning basically you can't do anything. It required planning basically. Without planning basically you can't work because it's more than 10 crore projects basically are there. Each project basically might be containing around 5 to 6 lakh if conditions, while loops, multiply by 20 crore projects. So it comes to very big number basically. To process that data, input data, and get the output data, that's very tricky and very tough basically. Very tricky and very tough basically. That's very tricky and very tough thing basically. So here basically it's very difficult to control basically that how to do the process basically, and they basically are doing this basically. How basically? Because from softwares basically lots of vegetables, lots of fruits, lots of iron data basically raw material basically are taken basically, which is processing in the land basically. Without processing land basically you can't use that data basically. That basically you have to always remember. Say next video.